my name is Gauri and I'm a legal intern with Lexis & Company. Today I'll be discussing the landmark judgment of Loving versus Virginia, which is a landmark civil rights case that was decided by the US Supreme Court in 1967. The case challenged the constitutionality of laws that prohibited interracial marriage, and the ruling struck down these laws, declaring them unconstitutional under the Equal Protection and Due Process Clauses of the 14th Amendment. The case originated with Richard Loving, a white man, and Mildred Jeter, a black woman who fell in love and got married in Washington, D.C. in 1958. The couple returned to their home state of Virginia, where their marriage was considered illegal due to the state's anti-miscegenation laws. The Lovings were charged with violating Virginia's Racial Integrity Act and faced imprisonment for their marriage. Richard and Mildred Loving pleaded guilty for the charges and were sentenced to 1 year in prison, with the sentence suspended on the condition that they leave Virginia and not return together for 25 years. They moved to Washington, D.C., but the separation from their families and the home they knew took a toll on them. In 1963, Mildred Loving wrote a letter to Attorney General Robert F. Kennedy seeking assistance. Kennedy referred her to the American Civil Liberties Union, who took up their case. The Lovings' legal battle began, aiming to challenge the constitutionality of the Virginian law. The case eventually made its way to the Supreme Court. In a unanimous decision on June 12, 1967, the Supreme Court ruled in favor of the Lovings. The court's decision held that marriage is a fundamental right and that denying individuals the right to marry based on their race was a clear violation of their constitutional rights. The ruling effectively struck down all remaining anti-miscegenation laws across the United States. That is it for this video. If you have any queries, you can post them in the comment section. Thank you.